Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a very delicious recipe with pumpkin and spinach. I really enjoyed this and I hope you will do so too. You want to start out with your onion and you want to peel it and cut it down into small pieces. You want to heat up some oil on a pan and you want to start frying the onion. Then you want to take half a pumpkin and you want to cut it down into small little chunks. They shouldn't be too big so that they are softened nicely. You want to also start preparing your rice, and then you want to add all of the spices to your pan. I will have them listed down below. It's like curry powder and stuff like that. You want to add that in, let that sit for a minute in the hot oil. And then you can go ahead and add in the pumpkin. You also want to cut down some ginger into very, very tiny bits. And you want to add that in as well and mix it all together. Now you want to go ahead and add in your vegetable stock. Give that a quick mix. And you want to add your garlic. Now you're ready to let that sit for 10 minutes until the pumpkin is softened. Then you want to go ahead and add in the spinach. You can use fresh spinach, or if you use frozen, you want to make sure it is defrosted already, and you want to get rid of all the excess water so it doesn't get too soupy. You want to add your coconut milk next. And then you want to add the lemon juice. Now you can make sure you have enough salt and add any more flavors that you want, and then you're ready to enjoy. So I hope you give this a try. It was super delicious, a lovely dish for the fall and winter, and I will talk to you very, very soon. Bye!